Hello, so I wanted to share this game with you, which I made using Claude with a few prompts. So it's a tower defense game. So what we do, I've selected this. So I have 150 gold coins at the moment. I'm going to add these two and I'm going to start a wave. So as you can see, and you can also zoom in, even you can zoom out this much. Let me speed this up a little. So this was the first wave, and every time I kill someone, I am gaining these gold credits. So next, let me add another one. This one may be here. Okay, now I have this one. Let's start another wave. Okay, this is very effective. And the idea of this game is that I lose if 20 people can pass through and reach this castle over here. So, and you can also see all these clouds and you can zoom in and zoom out using a mouse wheel. So let's start another wave. And every time another wave starts, it becomes more and more difficult. So, and let me show you. If I start another wave, look at this one. So more and more soldiers will be coming in. Let me sell something because I think that way they will be able to reach quickly. I think they cannot pass till now. Maybe in one or two more waves, we would be able to do it. Let's start this one. Okay. And Claude added all these sound effects and everything. I did have 5 to 6 prompts before I was able to reach over here, but this is really something so nice. And I think now I'm will start with. So these 20 lives. Every time somebody passes through to this place, I lose a life. So let's see how far we go. So yeah, and once it reaches 20, I will lose the game. So okay, now let's look at the few prompts that we did. So the first prompt were really easy. Just like I started making this game, I asked, "Can Claude help me make a game?" And this is Claude Code, by the way. So then I gave a little bit of idea, like I want a tower defense game. So just tower defense. So then it made a very simple kind of a game, and something was working. So then I just said, I like this. Can we improve the graphics? Okay, now look at this. Uh, can we have a real cartoon soldiers? And they are initially they were only blocks were moving. So I just gave this, and I mean, can this be made into 3D? Then it wasn't working, so it then fixed the bugs. It removed 9 lines and added 9 more lines, and nothing is happening in the preview. So there was nothing was happening now, but then it made it happen. Love it, but it doesn't have sound effects. So then I added the sounds, and later then started making this game. This was the first version. If you see, there is no castle, there are no clouds, and it cannot be zoom in and zoom out. And these towers were very basic. And then I like the terrain is small, when I increase the terrain. So just with natural language, I was just asking it. And in the end, I reached something like this, which is really amazing. Now it can be zoom in and zoom out. The terrain is large, and start the next wave. Okay, so I only have 10 lives, and I think in this wave, it will be easy. I have killed 77, total of 6 waves. I am not putting more towers. I can easily put more towers and stop it, but just for the sake of making you understand this video, I have 788 gold, so I can like put a lot of towers over here. Let me put one here, just to make it a bit interesting. I don't know if they would be able to stop this or not. And no. So 9, 8, 7, and now the game will be over. So this fun game was made with 6 or 7 prompts and a lot of credits, but still, I think it was worth it. I do hope you liked this. This was just a brief overview of the power of Claude, and I didn't give it any models or something. And I will be working on those things as well, where I give him 3D models and try to make a game out of it. Thank you for watching.